Did you know that with just a simple prompt, you can change the background of your images from this to this using the latest feature, which is the Canva AI image generator? This is actually superb because you can do this with your mobile phone, and also as a free user on Canva, you can actually do this. Let's First things first, you must have downloaded the image which you want to change its background. So once you have done that, you head over to Canva, and this is the Canva interface. You tap on YouTube thumbnail. Since it's a picture, that's why I'm tapping on YouTube thumbnail. This is what you're going to see. This is the interface you're going to see over here. Then what you have to do next is to ignore this for this moment. Then you scroll through these tabs and you see where it writes apps. You tap on it and then you search the Canvas AI app you want to make use of thirdly. So you can see it over here, replace background. So you have to tap on that. And mind you, this actually has 10 free credits every day. So once you exhaust the free credits, the 10 free credits, you cannot make use of this feature again till the next date. It gets renewed daily. So this is what it brings up. It now asks you to choose your file. So you can as well, first of all, uploading the image before you start doing this. But just in case, I just have to tap on choose file to uploading the image which I really want to change its background. So this is the image I want to change its background. So I tap on it and it will get uploaded into this very space. Once you have uploaded in the image you want to change its background, you can see it is already uploaded in here. So you can see that it tries background prompt. You have to input in your background prompt, but sometimes you might not really describe the right background you want for your image. So for you to properly get the right prompt for the background you want to generate, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you the right prompt for the image background you want to generate. Whatsoever image background you want to generate, just input it and it will give you the right prompt. So I've done that and I've already copied the prompt. So I'm going to tap in here and then paste in the prompt. So I have to paste it. So once I have put in my prompt, I then have to tap on replace. I'll wait for some minutes for it to get replaced. So after some seconds, this is what we have. Isn't this beautiful? You can go ahead and try it out using this my simple steps